Are China's smart factories inferior to those in Europe and America? With this question in mind, Corrface embarked on a tour of smart factories in southern China. Our first stop takes us to a renowned paperboard factory in Guangdong province, with a daily production capacity of 1.2 to 1.4 million square meters. Let's explore how China's smart paperboard plants and intelligent logistics measure up on the global stage. This paperboard factory's production floor is equipped with 2 corrugated production lines, with working widths of 2.8 meters and 2.5 meters respectively. Operating on 4 shifts daily, each shift handles 400 to 600 order changes, resulting in a total daily output of 1,600 to 2,000 orders. Faced with such massive and fragmented order volumes, the factory leverages COMAUTO Taiwan's fully automated smart logistics system to achieve highly efficient coordination from warehousing and storage to dispatch and outbound shipping. Despite the factory's compact footprint of just 30 acres, COMAUTO's meticulous planning maximizes spatial efficiency in its back-end logistics system. The smart logistics system enables highly efficient digital data integration, automatically receiving parameter inputs from the ERP system, whether for dehumidifying paperboard, flipping sheets, or outbound dispatch, and executes precise automated transfers. The system's first key feature lies in its algorithm-driven optimization of paperboard flow paths from inbound warehousing to outbound dispatch. Once the paperboard is warehoused, the system automatically calculates its optimal storage location, ensuring minimal transfer distance and dispatch operations, to enhance the efficiency of electric vehicles and warehouse workflows. Reportedly, under COMAUTO's system coordination, paperboard requires a maximum of 5 transfers from warehousing to outbound loading. The second core feature lies in its optimized dispatch efficiency design. With only 24 loading docks on site, the facility faces significant pressure during peak dispatch periods. COMAUTO significantly enhances dispatch efficiency by optimizing its truck scheduling system, which pre-plans loading tasks for each vehicle with detailed parameters, including assigned loading docks, order numbers, paperboard specifications, route paths, and estimated departure times. The third core feature focuses on early warning and visual management of warehouse overflow risks. COMAUTO's smart logistics system dynamically displays real-time storage occupancy via buffer zone screens, with color-coded indicators: green, 50% capacity, optimal flow; yellow, 50 to 75%, schedule vigilance; and red, 75%, overload risk, triggering immediate dispatch optimization and shipment coordination. From the second floor overlook, the rear logistics zone exhibits automated guided vehicles gliding in synchronized routes and precision-loaded trucks, epitomizing the futuristic efficiency of smart manufacturing. Leveraging profound planning expertise and refined system algorithms, COMAUTO has established a high-efficiency, low-intervention automated logistics framework for this paperboard plant, fully demonstrating the robust capabilities of China's intelligent manufacturing sector. Effective design optimizes workflow, minimizes spatial footprint and labor dependency, maximizing ROI. This transcends being merely an equipment system; it embodies a future-oriented operational paradigm. Does such a Chinese paperboard factory still have gaps to meet world-class smart factory standards? Follow Corrface for more insights.